Hi, my name is Dhruv Singh. I'm the co-founder and CTO at HoneyHive. HoneyHive is an AI monitoring and evaluation platform that helps enterprises adopt agents successfully. My personal background before HoneyHive was working on the OpenAI innovation team at Microsoft in 2021. And that was a very interesting time at Microsoft because no one outside Microsoft knew about LLMs or talked about it. I remember having long conversations about science and math with this code generation model thinking, oh my God, this is going to be everywhere in the future. And so I think having that kind of early insight into how these LLMs might just take over all our workflows over time, I realized that it would be very important to start a company around ensuring that people are able to take these models to production successfully, because that was one of the key challenges that we kept running into at Microsoft is how do we evaluate this AI? It's doing such weird things, like how do we make sure it's doing it reliably and repeatably? And so that was the main intuition that my co-founder and I started HoneyHive around in 2022. The simplest problem that we solve for our customers is telling them what their agents are doing and why. So one of the hardest things about adopting AI is it does a lot of things that are quite deeply hidden. It's very hard for teams to be able to quickly catch and fix what is exactly going wrong in their AI's thinking. One thing that HoneyHive does for companies is that we set up observability. And so basically giving them very deep visibility into every single step of what their agent is doing and providing them the right visibility, like metrics on top of it, so that they can quickly get a high-level intuition of like, okay, my agent is not able to pick up the right documents. Okay, my agent is confused around these topics. On the most fundamental level, we help people know what's going wrong and what they need to focus on fixing. Kind of closing the loop is what we like to call it within the company. I think the thing that I'm the most proud of when it comes to HoneyHive is every time we work with a large enterprise, they think, oh, you guys must be a 50, 100-person team. We're actually just 8 people. The amount of leverage that AI has created for our team, we roughly think it's around 5x. Like one person can do the work of 5 people. It feels very obvious to us day to day that, pre-AI, we could not achieve, the level of success that we have with the team that we have. It's only possible because we're using AI in every single place we can. It's very easy in AI to just give slop of like, here are a bunch of random insights about 10 different things that you only have time to pay attention to one for. And so what we try to do is make sure that we provide an insight that's immediately actionable and then see if people are running the experiments to fix those. So I think for us, it would be like, are people running a lot of experiments? That means that we've cracked something and they're actually interested in improving their agent. And I think that is 90% of the battle, because most enterprises are not able to invest enough in evaluation. So if we are able to get them activated on it, that's a really good signal. And the other is having robust alerting. So that's more of a lagging indicator, but basically just saying, okay, are they actually catching issues that are happening with their real world users? I mean, our eventual vision with HoneyHive is to build a meta agent, which is an agent that's really good at helping people build agents. For any enterprise who's kind of already done some AI and now is looking to level up into the agentic AI world, some of the basics that you need to have figured out are one, having a clear idea of which teams would actually adopt the agent if you actually build it. I think having simple text-based automations in sales, customer support, the kind of functions where there's a lot of reading, talking, those kind of things going on, start at those simple places and add the automations, a very simple automation just to begin. Since the initial agentic AI example will be basic, people will find it easier to trust it. This is definitely the biggest point of friction with working with agents, is not knowing whether or not you can trust the output. Having that explainability built in from day one is going to be very important to actually drive adoption within your company. I think only when you have figured out retrieval and insights, then you think about, okay, what are some workflows based on these documents that now we can start to automate steps of. And so you kind of want to move in a piecemeal way through the full agentic automation. Everyone knows the end state vision here is fully autonomous agents. And for full autonomy, I think it's going to be a gradual journey. It's going to be a journey based on incrementally building trust with the system. So just focus on explainability and evaluation from day one and start simple.